Hi, I'm back with episode 11 of 40 Years 40 Reasons today, discussing GibbsCam's post-processor strategy. GibbsCam is a powerful environment for programming machine tools and provides an intuitive approach for creating and optimizing NC programs. But NC programming is only as good as the NC code it generates. And this is where GibbsCam truly excels. To offer best-in-class post-processing, we decided to customize each post-processor before its implementation on site. Closely working with you, our in-house expert team of post-processor developers ensures that you get posted output specifically for your needs. It's formatted for your machine tool and fully supports its capabilities. Depending on the options, axial configuration, and capabilities of the machines you are using, we offer different levels of post-processors tailored to the complexity of your machine. Ultimate-level post-processors fulfill the special needs of highly complex Swiss-style machines, while advanced level refers to post-processors made for multitasking machines with 2 and more synchronized flows. Standard level posts are used for standard lathes, mills and basic MTM machines that we call Level 1 MTMs. Contact your local GibbsCam reseller for a personal consultation about how our customized post-processors unlock the full potential of your machines.